Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to fix your Whirlpool washing machine if it is showing an F18 or FOD error code. These error codes stand for foam overload detected, which basically means that your washing machine is suffering from a foam overload. This is super simple to fix. All you need to do is put your washing machine into rinse mode and run it for as many cycles as you need to get rid of the foam. You will know that it's rinsed enough if your washing machine error code has disappeared. There are a couple of ways that you can avoid this problem happening in the future. Firstly, if you use detergent powder in your drawer, try to reduce the amount that you're using. Also, try not to clean your washing machine with bleach, as this can contribute to a build-up of foam. Instead, we recommend using our very own eSpares washing machine and dishwasher cleaner. This product deeply cleans the inside of your appliance, getting rid of any detergent and limescale build-up to keep things running smoothly. It has great reviews from our customers, so we'll include a link to where you can buy it in the description below. We also have a handy video on how to use this cleaner for best results for your washing machine, here. And there you have it, how to fix error codes F18 and FOD on a Whirlpool washing machine. Remember, if your Whirlpool washing machine is showing any other error codes and you're not sure how to fix them, don't worry. Head over to our video on Whirlpool washing machine error codes and we'll explain each code one by one. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.